Hello guys, this is FairBinaryOptions.com. We are looking at the US dollar Japanese yen. This is a 1 hour chart, but this break here higher is really appreciated, if I may say so, and we like to buy call options with end of week expiration date. The reason for that is that we're looking now at two scenarios. Well, the first scenario is that we are having here a possible flat to the upside, and this goes from the following point of time. This would be the previous correction to end around here. Actually, not to end around here, sorry. To end around here. And this is being called a contracting triangle that acted as a reversal pattern. This is being called a non-limiting contracting triangle. Let's change the color for it so it is becoming more visible. A non-limiting contracting triangle, and this triangle breaks to the upside, as you can see, and it implies that this should be the end of the previous move. Now from this moment on, we are looking at the flat, the possible flat to the upside, and the flat goes with the structure of 3, 3, 5. What does it mean, 3, 3, 5? It means 3 waves to the upside corrected with 3 waves to the downside, and then of course a 5-way structure. From my point of view, we already have 3 waves to the upside in the form of an ABC here. This to be wave A, then a B wave here, ABC. There is a three-way structure. So three-way structure would make up basically only wave A out of this degree. And from this moment of time, we are looking at a move to the downside that should be labeled again A, B, C, three-way structure. So 3 up, then corrected with 3 ways down, this to be the B wave. It is mandatory in any flat that the B wave to retrace more than 61.8 when compared with the previous wave A. Well, this one is retracing, if you take a Fibonacci retracement from here to here, from the highs to the lows here, the other way around, if you take a Fibonacci retracement, then you'll see that actually what price is doing here is retracing more than 61.8. Not only that it retraces more than 61.8, this one goes more than 80%, and from this moment of time we know that this is a common flat. But a common flat, or in a common flat, the most time consuming wave should be the B wave. That means that wave C to the upside to complete the flat, so wave C to the upside to complete the flat should come in less than the time taken, for wave B to form, and therefore our flat scenario will be done. Now what kind of a move we need to the upside here? Well, we need a 5-way structure. This is mandatory, but the move here to the upside is no impulsive move. It is a 3-way structure. Therefore we are looking at terminal impulsive move, it is being called, and the terminal impulsive move, let me take a polyline. The terminal impulsive move goes with the following structure. This to be the first wave, and then we are looking for a second wave, which is not done because this is again, as you can see here, this is again a corrective wave, and not only there is a corrective wave, but it looks like a 3-way structure. And now we're looking for an irregular flat for the second wave. So we have A to the downside, B to the upside, most likely to come around this level, something like this, 103, and then a C wave here. So this to be the first, the second we are looking here, then the third, the fourth, and the fifth to the upside. That would be the structure to look for. It is being called rising wedge or a terminal impulsive move, and normally it comes in such situations. You look for the shape of a wedge to form there. So what to do in consequence ahead of this FOMC today, FOMC minutes, what I would like to do is to buy call options. Even though price is 102.33, we would like to buy call options with end of week expiration date. So buying call options with end of week expiration date is our recommendation here on fairbinaryoptions.com. And basically end of week is going to be, or is, this Friday, by the moment the US markets are going to close, and price should move into that direction ahead of that expiration date. Thank you for being here. Again, fairbinaryoptions.com. All these analyses are possible due to the help of our sponsor, Lionhive. Bye bye.